everyone, this is Strawberry Singh. Today I wanted to quickly show you how to make an animated GIF. I know a lot of people probably already know how to do this, but I thought I'd share anyways. Basically what you want to do is first decide which pictures you're going to use to create your GIF, or what you need is a certain number of pictures for all the frames that will be in your GIF. I'm just going to use two today. I'm going to have myself one with my eyes open and the other one with my eyes closed. You can choose up to many frames, and the more you have, the more animated the GIF will be. So first what you want to start off with is by creating a new document. So I'm going to go up here and I'm just going to go File, New, and I'm going to choose 1200 for the width and height because that's what my original pictures are. They're 1200 width and height. Once I've done that, I'm going to go over and I'm going to select my images and I'm going to copy them over to my new document that I created. So when I copied them over, basically what I did was I pressed Control A to select all and then Control C to copy, and I'm Control V, and when you do a Control V, it copies it into its own layer. So I'm just going to get rid of the background layer here because I don't want it to be part of my animation. And once you have all of your layers here, each layer will be a different frame in the GIF. So what you can do is to actually create the GIF, go up to Window and then go to Animation, and over here you'll see your animation window should look like this. It should be in the frames view if it's not, and it looks like that. If it's in the timeline view, I suggest you switch over to frames because it just makes it a lot easier to work with. So as you see here, I can see one of the layers already, but I want to have both of the layers in there. So I'm going to go up to this button over here and I'm going to make frames from layers. So then what it does is it brings all of the layers into the frame here, and you can actually press play here to see the animation. But what I want to do is I want to set the frames delay time. So I want to set it to 1 second for each, and then we can hit play to see how it looks, and there you go. And you can actually set that to forever to see it repeating. So there's your animated GIF. So what you're going to do is now you're going to save that. You're going to save for web. When you're saving for web, you want to make sure you go up here and pick GIF 128 dithered. When I do that, you'll see that the quality of the picture has gone down a little bit, so I just move that up to 100 to increase the quality. And then I hit save, and I save the image. You can name it whatever you like. And then I'll have my animated GIF. Another thing that people ask a lot for people on Plurk is how do you get all of those little animations that people see all the time, all of those GIFs that people get from Tumblr, and they make those little emoticons and so forth. So I'm going to show you a quick example of how I do it using Photoshop. I have my Bollywood GIF over here. The best size for the Plurk emoticons is 48 by 48. So what I usually do is first I'm going to size this into a square. I want to make sure it's a fixed ratio, 1:1. Okay, so I'm going to crop that, go to Image and Crop, and then I'm going to just change the size to 48, and then you can actually play the animation here so you can see what it's going to look like in Plurk. Okay, and so again I'm going to save this save this for web again, and I'm going to save it as a GIF as well. You can check the animation here to make sure it is working. Great, and then I'm going to hit save, and we'll save that as Kajal. That's fine. And then when you want to use it, you can go to Plurk and go to your emotes over here and go under My Emoticons, and you can just add more, and you can actually, and I'm going to call it Kajal, shy, why not? And you can just add that in, and now you'll see I have it here, and I can just Plurk it, Everybody on Plurk's going to be wondering what I'm doing. And there we go. So that's how you get an animated GIF. You can make your own, you can upload them to Plurk, and use them on your blogs, and so on and so forth. So I hope you found that interesting and informative, and I hope you share some of yours in the meme I'm going to do today. Okay, have a great day. Bye.